This cooking process of National Uzbek meal palow. Adding meat into the heated oil. Adding some salt. And cutted onions. Some carrots. Mixing them all. Adding rice after purification. Putting fabric and can to give a rest to the meal. After a while, it needs to mix the rice with the other ingredients. Then again, it needs to cover with fabric. Then again, and now it's time. We're waiting, taking out. Here it is, dear friends. You watch it how National Uzbek meal palow is prepared. Please push the like button and subscribe for our channel. Thank you very much.
Yine plastik yemeğe koyup gider.